In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo into Smartsheet. Adding your logo is a simple way to make your Smartsheet environment feel more professional and on brand, whether you're using it for a company, a team, or your own personal projects. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and you're on any main Smartsheet page, like your home or a workspace. Look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. It might show your initials or a small image if you've already customized your profile. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open your account options. When the menu opens, look for the option labeled Personal Colors and Logo or something very similar, depending on your version of Smartsheet. This is the section where you can personalize how Smartsheet looks for you, including adding your logo. Click on Personal Colors and Logo to open the customization window. Inside this window, you'll see an area dedicated to your logo. Usually, there's a button labeled Select or Upload near the logo preview. Click on Select. This will open a file browser on your computer, letting you choose the logo file you want to use. Now, follow the on-screen prompts. Select the image file from your computer that you want as your logo. For best results, choose a clear, high-quality image, ideally in a common format like PNG or JPG. If Smartsheet gives you guidelines such as recommended dimensions or file size, try to follow them so your logo doesn't appear stretched or blurry. Once you've chosen the file, confirm your selection in the file browser and Smartsheet will upload it. You may see a small preview of your logo after it uploads. Take a moment to check that it looks the way you expect. If it doesn't, you can repeat the process and select a different file. When you're happy with how your logo appears, look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or lower right of the window. Click on Save to apply your changes. Smartsheet will update your personal view and you should now see your logo wherever Smartsheet displays it in your interface. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a logo into Smartsheet and given your workspace a more customized, branded look.